Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning the easiest way to log out of Candy Crush Saga on your device. If you want to log out of Candy Crush Saga, then first of all, open up Candy Crush Saga application and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up settings. From this general menu under settings, tap on account and help. Now click on my account and then click on the logout button at the bottom of the screen. Click on logout once again and you'll be logged out of your Candy Crush Saga game. Now you can go ahead and log in with a different account or play as a guest. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Candy Crush Saga. Remember that logging out doesn't delete your progress if your game is connected to Facebook or King account. It is safely stored in the cloud. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.